of Kite and the Edge Fun channel. So today, I will be opening my Uncharted 4 A Thief's End Nathan Drake Ultimate Edition action figure. So on the back it says, every treasure has its price. Thrown back into the dangerous underworld he tried to leave behind, Nathan Drake must decide what he's willing to sacrifice to save the ones he loves. Here's the front of the box. Let's open it. Whoa! Look at that. Okay, now here's the side where Nathan Drake is trying to throw his rope. And here's the other side where Nathan Drake is like flying and with his pistol out. Here's the back. Nathan Drake, him pulling out the gun out of his gun holder, and he's now the rope. He attached it to something and now he's flying. Okay, so here is the AK-47 with the strap. A pistol, a tiny pistol actually. The closed, the rope, the closed rope. One hand. Oops, it will fly. So here is the trigger hand, where you could you can make him pose like he's pulling the trigger of the gun. Here's the rope, which is open now. The bummer is, it's not the same rope color as this. But I'm glad that it's actually a real rope. Here's the second head. It's like mad and angry. Now let's take him out. Let's take the big man out. He's almost out. There we go. Okay, so here's the figure. Everything on him is painted, like literally, it's so detailed. Like his belt, it's detailed. It's like he got cut on this arm. He can do a fighting stance. Pow! Bam! Now let's pose him. So this is the pose that I made for Nathan Drake. I hope you like it, and if you did, smash that like button, and always remember, fly high and stay